Welcome, my dear students. Now I am going to continue with eighth part of this lesson. So here, before going to eighth part, I want to remind you, Mara came running to the palace of the king in Sakarayapatana. There, he told the king about the lake. The lake was about to be broken by the goddess of river Veda. King looked at Mara. He was not able to identify him because Mara was soaked in rain. His hair seemed to be plastered on his face. The raindrops were dripping from his body. Mara told that he was the watchman of the lake. Then the king was shocked. Then Mara explained all the things what the goddess had told him. Goddess was about to break the banks of Ayankere at any time. Let us continue. Here Mara was telling about the people who are going to suffer if the goddess break the banks of the tank. But the goddess listened to everything, but she laughed at it and flourished her sword. She pleaded with her, sorry, I pleaded with her for hours to spare us and have pity on us poor mortals. But she was not to be moved. A most terrible and reckless mode of destruction seemed to have come upon the goddess. Mara is explaining, in spite of all my requests, she laughed at it and flourished her sword. My lord, he is telling the king. I pleaded with her for hours. I pleaded with her for hours. I begged, I requested, I implored, IMPLORED, implored with her for hours to spare us and have pity on us poor mortals. I requested her for hours to spare us, means spare here means save, to save us and have pity on us poor mortals. We are the poor mortals. Mortals means liable to die. Once who is born is to die. In Sanskrit, one saying is there. Jatasya hi ಜಾತಸ್ಯ ಹಿ ಮರಣಂ ಧ್ರುವಂ. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದವನಿಗೆ ಮರಣವೇ ಗುರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕರುಣೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ನಾವು ನಶ್ವರರು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರುಣೆ ತೋರಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೂವ್ಡ್. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೂವ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವಳು ಚಲಿಸಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಅವಳು ಇದ್ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಪ್ಪಲಿಲ್ಲ. She did not agree with all my requests. A most terrible, reckless mode of destruction seemed to have come upon the goddess. On the face of the goddess, Mara saw the terrible and reckless mood of destruction. There was on the face mood of destruction. Bhadrakali nintidala. There is nothing to save anything from the hands of the goddess. That was the mood of the goddess. So that mood seemed to have come upon the goddess. ಆ ದೇವತೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ದೇವತೆಯ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಉಂಟಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So the goddess had that reckless mood, terrible mood. It was seen on the face of the goddess, according to Mara. Mara explains all these things to the king. I fell on the wet ground, prostrated before her hand, begged. A poor mortal like me cannot stop you. Oh, Divine Mother, but grant me this. I fell on the wet ground, prostrated before her and begged. ನಾನು ಆ ಒದ್ದೆಯಾದ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹರ್, ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಗಾತ ಬೀಳು, ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ದೇವರ ಮುಂದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟು ಫುಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಗುವಾಗ ಉದ್ದುದ್ದ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಬೆನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೆಗ್ಡ್, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಡಿದೆ. A poor mortal like me cannot stop you, oh divine mother, but grant me this. So Mara decided to do something to save the mankind, to save the capital and the king and all the poor people. Mara decided to do something. What is that? Let us see. I fell on the wet ground. ಆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ, ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿದ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹರ್, ಅವಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಣಾಮ, ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಣಾಮ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಂಡ್ ಬೆಗ್ಡ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ ಆಕೆಯನ್ನ. ಏನಂತ ಬೇಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್, a poor mortal like me cannot stop you, a poor mortal like me, ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ನಶ್ವರ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, cannot stop you, O goddess. No, I cannot stop you. O divine mother, O divine mother, O ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ದೇವತೆಯೇ, ಸ್ವರ್ಗೀಯ ದೇವತೆಯೇ, I can't stop you. If you are decided, you will do it. I can't stop you. Okay. But grant me this. Grant me one boon. Grant me this. ಆದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ವರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ, ಇದೊಂದು ವರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೀ ದಿಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀನು ಈಡೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಡು. ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರನ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಮೀ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೈನ್, ಯು ಮೇ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡೆವಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. Yes, I grant this. So please grant this. One request, at least. Okay, you can break the banks of the river Veda. You can break the banks of the river Veda. You can let loose the waters that flood the whole kingdom. Okay, do what you want. But one request, please. Fulfill my one request at least, Mara asks. What is that request? He says, I'll run to the capital and inform the king. I'll run to the capital and tell the king and return. And return. ಹೇಳಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Till then, stay your hand. Till then, don't break the banks of the lake. Till then, don't break the banks of the lake. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡಮ್ಮ, ಬೇಡ. ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಮೀ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೈನ್, ಯು ಮೇ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡೆವಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಮೀ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೈನ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನೀನು, ಯು ಮೇ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಔಟ್, ಯು ಮೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೆವಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಡೆವಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್, ಹಾನಿ. ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೆವಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. When you see me again, I'll go and inform the king about this and come back. When I come back, you can carry out your devastation. Devastation means destruction. Goddess says, yes, I grant this. Goddess says, yes, I grant this. I will wait until you have told the king and return, she said, and here I am. Sorry, she said, yes, I grant this. I'll wait until you have told the king and return. Okay, go and tell the king. I'll be waiting here. I'll be waiting here. Go and tell the king and return. I'll be waiting here, she said. Then he turns to the king. And here I am, Your Majesty. And therefore I am here, Your Majesty. Saying so, I came here to inform this matter to your majesty. King. Maharaj, are you sure? You saw and heard all this? Maharaj, are you sure? Are you sure you saw and heard all this really? Maharaj, still I can't believe. Tell me, you have seen her really? And you have heard these words of the goddess really? Tell me, Mara says, how can you prove my Lord? How can you prove it, my Lord? Here you see mud on my clothes. When I fell prostrate before the goddess, all this were stuck to me. How can I prove it, my Lord? There is no proof, my Lord. See all the mud on my clothes. This mud stuck to me when I prostrated before the goddess. When I fell down before the goddess to pray, this word stuck to me. Only this is the proof I have. Nothing more, my Lord. Nothing more, Your Majesty. I have this proof, my Majesty. Without that, I don't have any proof, my Majesty. He says, I dare not think. I do not know what to do in a moment or less. I and this palace and my subjects, all right. Nothing so good as preparing for an end. Hey, call someone. King is desperate at the words of Mara. I dare not think. I can't even think of this. I am not courageous to think of this. I dare not think means I am not courageous to courage. I am not courageous even to think of this. I do not know what to do. I do not know what to do. In a moment or less, within no time, I and this palace and my subjects, I and this palace and my subjects. All right, nothing so good as preparing for an end. Okay, nothing so good as preparing for an end. ಸಾಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, I should stop thinking. Otherwise, I would have become mad. No, all right. Okay, I stop thinking. Yeah, nothing so good as preparing for an end. It is better to prepare for an end. It is better to prepare for an end. That's all. Nothing is more good than this. Nothing is better than this. Hey, call someone. Let an announcer go around with a beat of drums and announce to the people and to everyone in my kingdom that is the last day of the world. Hey, call someone. Let an announcer go around a beat of drums. Let an announcer go around a beat of drums around the capital and the other villages too. Okay, ಕರೀರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಟಾಮ್ ಟಾಮ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋ ಕರೀಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಟಾಮ್ ಟಾಮ್ ಹೊಡ್ಸೋದು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸರ್ ಗೋ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಎ ಬೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ and to everyone in my kingdom that's the last day of the world. That is the last day of the world. God announced to the people that it is the last day of the world. We can't see the tomorrow sunrise. Okay, go and announce to the people it is the last day for us and we won't see the sunrise tomorrow. That's all. Okay, go. The deluge is upon us. Tomorrow sun will rise upon a lifeless land. The deluge is upon us. The deluge, pralaya. The deluge is upon us. Tomorrow sun will rise upon a lifeless land. If the sun rises on this land tomorrow, there will be no life at all. Everything is dead. Everything will be dead by tomorrow. No life will be here. The sun rises to the deserted lands. That's all. Mara, Your Majesty, permit me to, Your Majesty, permit me to, Your Majesty, one request. Please give me the permission for one thing. Tell me what I have to say. Tell me what I have to say. What I have to say. Tell me. King becomes eager that Mara would give some solution for the problem. Mara, I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion, Your Majesty, to save everyone, to save the capital, to save the kingdom, to save you, and to save all living beings in your kingdom. I have a suggestion, Your Majesty. ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸಲಹೆ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಭುಗಳೇ. Go on, go on. Anyway, are going to die. Whatever you want to say, go on. The king is not at all interested, but the king permitted him. Mara continues. The goddess will keep her soul. Sorry, the goddess will keep her word. She has promised to wait till she sees me back there. Make it impossible for me to return there, Your Majesty. The goddess will keep her word. Majesty, goddess told me that she will wait till my return to the lake. Till my return to the lake, goddess waits. She promised me that she would wait till my return. She keeps her word, definitely. She won't break her promise. She promised me that she would wait till my return to her. So, one request, Your Majesty. She would wait, let her wait there. Make it impossible for me to return there, Your Majesty. Majesty, do it impossible for me to return there. Do one thing in such a way that I should not return to the goddess. Did you guess? What did Mara ask for? Did you guess? Really? Okay. If you guess yourself, it's okay. But in the next slide, you'll come to know what did Mara ask for. She promised me that she would wait till she sees me back there, till my return. Now, I request Your Majesty to make it impossible for me to return there. Your Majesty, make it impossible for me to return there. So, take some action so that I should not return there at any cost. Do that, Your Majesty. So, I hope you have guessed what did Mara ask for. Here, in this way, it is in our textbook. It is taken from the textbook. Goddess is there. Ainkari is not just like that. It is just for the context of the lesson. But many of you have seen Ainkari. I know very well. How the king is confused with the words of Mara. Mara asked the king to make it impossible for him to go back to the goddess. How? How can I make you impossible to go there? Mara says, if Your Majesty's word is there, Your Majesty's word is there, Mahaprabhugalai, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, what did Mara ask? See, in this way, so many great people sacrificed their lives for the good of the people, for the good of the world. But we don't remember them today. We are in our own world. Mara asked the king to kill him on the spot. That's what Mara asked the king for. If Her Majesty's word is there, Mahaprabhugalai, kathi idiyalla, tugoli. No, what a horrible suggestion, Mara. No. What a horrible suggestion you are giving, Mara. No, I can't do that. Mara says, send for the executioner, my lord. My son is still sleeping in that. My last request is this. When I am gone, make him the watchman of the lake, and after him, his son, and then his son's son, to the last generation of our family. If Her Majesty's word is there, cut off my hand, so that I could not go back to the goddess or the lake. The king did not agree at any cost. No, what a horrible suggestion, Mara, you are giving. Mara, I don't do this. Mara then told the king, send for the executioner, Your Majesty. If you cannot cut my head off yourself, send for somebody else. Send for some executioner. Executioner, Katuka. ಕಟುಕನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಮೈ ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಟ್. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಗುಡಿಸಲಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಅವನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್, ಮೈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್, when I am gone, make him the watchman. When I am gone, when I am dead, make my son the watchman of the lake. And after him, his son. And then his son's son. Like that. So, the post of the watchman of the lake should be given to my generation only, till the end of my generation. That's all. ನನ್ನ ವಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಮಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ವಾಚ್ಮನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೇಕ್ ಕೆಲಸನ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಕಡಿಯಿರಿ, ಕೆರೆಯನ್ನು ದೇವತೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಕೆರೆ ಒಡೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಳೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ತನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ದೇವತೆ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋತಾಳೆ. ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಡಿದು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೂ ನಿಮಗೂ ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ? Put this question to yourself. ನನ್ಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಕೆರೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ನಾನು ಉಳಿತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. I stop here. Continue with next session. Till then, bye.